Welcome to my channel Pro Tip. Like, share, subscribe if you like the video. Hey, hello friends, this is Pradeep over here. Today I am going to tell about the Samsung AC model number AR18AY5YATZ. I am from India, so I purchased it 43,400 as of March 2021. I'm going to give this particular installation in detail as much as I can. You can use it either for your experience purpose, you can just refer it for your own installation. So first we can see that they have unboxed the AC. They are going to open up the inlet and outlet of the air, the cold air and the white air probably. There will be a cap, dust cap, that they will take it off. Then they will mount they will prepare for the mount. You can see this guy is trying to use a spirit level. They are going to make sure that the level is fine so that you won't be able to face any kind of problem with the water and all which used to come out from the ACs. There will be a water pipe as well in future. We'll show you that later on. So he is marking up because he will take out that particular metal, what is it called, probably bracket or something. So then he will again put it out over there and drill some hole for the inlet and outlet pipes that we are going to see it in future. So a little bit brief for my AC. This is a 1.5 ton smart AC and this AC is really cool. I'm using that AC for almost like 3-4 days right now. It's super quiet, it's super good. They are having 5 modes. The chilling is good, power consumption is good because very less because it's a 5-star AC. And right now, as from the company, the installation is free for 5-star. At least for my model, the installation is free. So I haven't paid anything extra for the installation. The only thing I have paid extra is for the extra copper pipe. I have actually have to take because I have to purchase 5 meter more or 5 feet more. I believe it's a 5 feet, not 5 meter, 5 feet more. That's the only thing I have paid for, as well as there was some fussing nuts that I have paid for as well. So you can see one guy is preparing the AC, the unit, and the other guy is drilling hole. While he is drilling the hole, the other guy is trying to make the AC ready for the installation. 2 types of wires are there. The first wire is for power and the second wire is for the data communication. The power is having phase, neutral and earth, and the data communication is having only a pair of wire that I'm going to show you later on. You can either take the wire out from the left hand side or you can take the wire out from the right hand side. So there are both options available. If you have the wire, you do not need to pay extra after the wire that comes with the AC. So I forgot how much they have given the copper pipe and the wire, but that's free. So the one which comes with your AC, the copper pipe and the wire, after that you can either buy it or pay it. So he is showing the wire which is for data communication and for the power. So the wire which is having yellow green wire, and that is the power, and the other one which is having two, this one right there in his hand, it's for the data communication. It's a communication between the internal unit motherboard and external unit motherboard, and this wire with the 3-wire connection, this is for the power for the internal unit. So the power actually goes to the external unit and come back to the internal unit. This is the copper pipe that came with the AC. I really like the quality. The one that I have to purchase extra. Somehow I am not happy with the quality because of the insulation is not this good. But the one which came inside the box, the installation is really good. I am happy. He is wrapping the tape over there. Now after the tape wrapping, you can see he is peeling off the installation just because I have to add extra copper pipe, because my indoor unit and outdoor unit are a little bit far. If you do not need any extra pipe, you do not need to cut this off. This is the original one, factory created one, so you do not need to cut it off. And the installation, the insulation should not be peeled as well. They're doing the switching part. Switching part is just to make the mouth, the ending point of the copper wire, a little bit larger, because the other pipe will be going inside it. So you can see the face is a little bit wider. So yeah, so this is the pipe that they are going to give us, and that's gonna be properly going to fit. In the meantime, they have done with the leveling part. You can see it's centered, and this person is going to put some screws just to make sure that when they're going to put the AC over there, it will not fall off. I asked them if there is a fisher required, but they said that no. Instead of using the fisher, if they use the screws directly over here, it will be more proper. I'm not sure about that, but yeah, I am definitely sure that they have done their best, because so far I'm happy with the AC. So this is the external pipe which come to the internal unit, internal unit to the external unit run. You can see both of the pipes, they are about to bend it out. So I put my external unit inside the balcony instead of keeping it under the roof. So inside the balcony, you can see this where the pipe came, but the size is less. So that's why they need to add some extra pipe just to make sure that those pipes are going to run to the unit. Here we can see they are adding the extra wires to the unit to unit connectivity as well. We have given the extra wire to them because we have it. Our house was under construction, so we have extra wires and they're happy to use those wires. Those are optional, so that like if you have some wire extra, you can give it to them, they will use it. Otherwise you have to pay and buy it from them. So we can see that they are going to fuse two pipes together, the one on the original one and the one that they have given, and they're going to connect that pipe with your external unit. Again, if this extra pipe is not required, the original pipe will directly come and connect to the external unit. One more layer of wrapping, behind the AC, and the AC is good to get mounted. So once it is mounted, they will pull the wire from outside, they will join the AC unit pipe with the pipe that going to the external unit, and later on they will do two tests. One is the pressure test and one is the soap test. You can see the pressure test. They said the reading minus 30 is good, and I'm having minus 25 to 28 I have seen, and this should not get increased. This should be stable. So if there is no leaks, it will be stable. You can see they are putting some soap over there just to see if there is any bubble showing up. Once there is a bubble showed up, it means there is some issue with the connectivity. Then they have to take it off and try to connect it one more time. They are releasing the gas right now. And again there is another layer of coating, and they will connect the pipe, the water outlet pipe, and they will push the AC down to the frame, the metal frame that you have seen earlier, and that's how it goes. So on the another video I will show you how the first time testing happens, because this is a smart AC. This can actually diagnose itself and make sure that everything works fine. I have got some error. I will show you that. I will show you how the remote looks like on the next part of the video, because this video is already long and I do not want to make it any longer. So after connecting the microfilter, he is going to put the front of the AC, and there it goes. It's ready to use. So this is another filter on the top of the AC. You have to clean it once after 2 weeks. That's what the recommendation is, and this is how it looks like right now. And it's cool, it's quiet, it's comfortable. Thanks for watching my video. Like, share, subscribe, and stay cool. Thank you. See you next time.